Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is an efficient casual framework for procuring potential EMR. Let's see the abstract of our project. Health informatic data can be conserved by high-level integrity of storage when improving the complexity and potential causality of such data. Semi-automated approach with in-TO ontology process used to improve the persistence. Machine learning and the NLP technique used for information absence recover on each non-taxonomic data. Annotation can be made by each NLP process and it will be distributed by ontology with associated relationships. Let's see the data flow diagram. Then start our process. Then give the input data into the patient data data input. Give the patient data input. Then go to the XML conversion understood. When patient data can convert into the XML file, then it's stored into the dataset. Then go to the ontology extraction station. Then go for the compression and validation, as there is validate the user data. Then go to the casual classification. And casual classification is finished, then go for the repository which stored in the dataset. Then go to the inconsistent data. Inconsistent data can be converted into the consistent data. Then go to the relationship linkage. Let's see the demo of our project. Run the home page. Let's see the home page. In the content, new patient register, EMR, old patient records, and a casual process. Let's click the old patient records and click the view button to view the old patient records. Then click home button. Then go to the new patient register. Enter the new patient register and the gender. Click the date of birth. Enter the city. And enter the 6-digit zip code. And in the mail ID. Enter the patient name. Enter the attender name. Enter the attender number. And enter the address. Enter the 10-digit contact number. Then go to the primary information. Enter the age and the height and the weight. BB. Enter the problem. And click the update button. Register successfully. When the user details are registered into the database, then click OK and go to the home page and click the EMR. Click the convert into XML. This button is used to convert the user data into the XML file. Successfully updated. Then go to the home page and click the casual process. Then click the XML button to select the data set in XML file. Click open. Click the show button to view the user detail in XML format. File content. Then click next button. Then click the XML attribute extraction. Click insert to view the user details Then click the next button. Content database. Then click view. Dataset has been successfully viewed. Then click OK button to view the user details and date of birth address. Then click the main data extraction. To click view button to view the user details. The database has been successfully viewed. Click OK to view the user detail. Then click the problems to view the user patient problems. Then click the reduction. Then click the validate to validate the user details. Then click view button. Values are consistent. Click OK to view the user details and basic detail age and the problems. Then click the next button. Click the consistent. The consistent values are consistent to view the user to enter to show the user detail in the database. Then click next button. To the inconsistent and click view. Inconsistent values fetch it up successfully. Click OK button. Given values are inconsistent, click OK to view the inconsistent data. Then click next button. Click the candidate relationships detail. This button is to view the patients or candidate relationship detail. To view the user detail, and the user details are XML. When the user details are converted into XML file, then it stored into the database. Then click the language process. And the candidate data and candidate relationships are retrieved from the database. Then click the language process. Values are updated. Click OK button, and then click the language process. Find the descriptor to view the descriptor. Then the recall calculation. Click recall to view the recall ratio and prediction. Then click the graph to view the graph, and then click the time-based graph to view the dataset in found dataset found too. Then thank you for listening.